translate PDF file to the another language. In this video tutorial we are going to show how you can translate PDF with another language. I will show you in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, let's go on my Google first. Okay, so let me open my Google. Okay, so just open the Google, and here in Google just search Google Translate. Okay, just enter the Google Translate. Okay, and you have to click on the first link, which is official Google Translate link, and now just click on the documents and browse documents from your computer. You can also browse from. Okay, so here just find out the PDF file. Here I don't have PDF file in my computer. Okay guys, so here in my downloads folder I have one PDF. Just select the PDF which you want to translate, then PDF will be upload. Now here you have to select the language. So my PDF language is English. Okay, and I want to translate with another language. Just click on this icon and you have to choose the uh, language which you want to translate into. So I just okay, translate with Danish. So it is English language. I can translate the Danish. This is my PDF file. Just translate. After translate, it will be translate, and okay, can't translate, scan it PDF. Just click on again. Okay, so guys, if your PDF document is scanned document, so in Google Translator it can't be translate. So if it is not translate, if you get error like this, so I will show you another way. Just open your Google Drive. Okay, I will show you. Just open the Google Drive, go to the new and upload your files in Google Drive. You can create a new folder and upload there. So I just upload in the home page and just select the PDF, and it will be upload here. So I have already uploaded, that's why it show me the replacing. Okay, so upload, just open this file. Okay, this file will be open like this. Now here just come to the top and just click on open with, and open with the Google Docs. Okay, so it will be open in the Google Docs, and now you can edit your file. So you can edit your PDF file. Okay, so all your tags on PDF, it will be converted to the docs. Okay, so let it open first. Yeah, it is open now. You can see I can edit the tags here. Okay, I can edit text here, so they can manually. But if you want to translate, just go to the tools here and go to the translate documents. Sorry. Okay, go to the translate documents, and here you have to choose the language that you want to translate. So I just translate with Chinese, traditional or simplified Chinese, and just translate. Then after it will be, so it will be translated, and open the new tab. You can see it will translate now in Chinese. Now you can also save it again in PDF file. How you can its PDF save as a PDF? Go to the file and go to the download and download as a PDF. Okay, so it will be download as a PDF again. Okay, so this in this step maybe there is some spelling mistake in your scanners document. Some maybe some spelling has been spelled wrongly when you convert in docs. So you can for that you can use another option that you can find the online translator, like search in Google. Online. Okay, come to the Google and search online, sorry, PDF translator, PDF language translator tab here. Okay, so there is a lots of website will come here. Now you can open any website and you can translate your. Okay, so just click on, I just click on this website. So here you can translate your PDF. Okay, this is only blog. So that is, you have to check the every website, then it could be help you. Okay, okay, this is translate now. Okay, prevent layout translator. Okay, you can choose the file from here, like I just choose PDF, so it will be upload. You have to upload file here. It's take time. Okay, it is, yeah, it is uploaded now. Yeah, it is uploaded. After uploaded, you have to choose any language that you want to translate. Okay, there is a many website you can use to translate. Okay, so here detected language. Yeah, here also you can see the yeah, I am yeah, here also you can see the same error come. Yeah, I'm trying to translate scanner tags. Okay, so yeah, here the language detected. Here you can choose manually. So I think yours you can use the online tools, but I think the second method is very helpful to you translate your scanned documents. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.